Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education, Sketchnotes for the Classroom. Transform conventional note-taking into an engaging classroom activity. Now, why should educators use Sketchnotes? I would say that during a typical teacher lecture, most students are not paying attention, and copying slides with conventional note-taking is quite boring. Taking sketchnotes, on the other hand, is an active form of listening and learning. Students have to think and identify main ideas through sketchnoting. When students finish completing their sketchnotes, it's usually something they're very proud of. Because students create the sketchnotes themselves, they'll view the sketchnote as a work of art. People value items built by themselves more than items built by others. Some kids love to doodle. Sketchnotes aren't meant for all students, but it can make a real difference for that one student that loves to draw and never ever pays attention. Next up, how to sketchnote in the classroom. Teachers can sketchnote on the board or have students sketchnote themselves. Sketchnoting begins with the accumulation of materials. You should begin with some sketch paper and, depending on your preference, a pen, marker, or a pencil. As they begin to listen to the lecture, they should identify the main topic. Clearly write the main topic on top of the sketchnote. Third, and most importantly, actively listen. Students have to listen carefully, pay attention, and stay engaged to successfully sketchnote. Which leads to number 4, capture ideas and quotes. The big ideas and main points need to be part of the sketchnote. Direct quotes from the speaker should also get jotted down. And lastly, add containers, arrows, stars, and flair to the sketchnote. Arrows can be used to show chains of events, stars can highlight important information, and containers can group pieces of information together. Here are some general tips for sketchnoting from my personal experience. For teachers and students alike, you're only going to get better with practice. Don't allow students to quit sketchnoting if they complain on the first try. If you're going to sketchnote, commit to sketchnote. When you begin sketchnoting, use pencil and go back and erase your mistakes. If you're a teacher wanting to use sketchnotes in the classroom, you have to first know how to sketchnote yourself. Once a teacher has mastered how to sketchnote, only then can they teach the students. You can do that by modeling sketchnotes on the whiteboard as you teach. Students will want to sketchnote on their own. The kids can design their own personal sketchnotes. Spotlight some of these sketchnotes that your students have created. Give students an opportunity to present the sketchnotes, showcase them in front of the classroom. Right now, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel. If you want to see some example of sketchnotes, click the link in the description below. There's also coloring examples of sketchnotes for students to work with.